Okay, so in our very first class, we have completed the topic of IAS, PAS, right? SAAS. But in this particular session, we will deep dive into these particular concepts. That is, first of all, we will be starting from IAS, then SAS. Okay. So infrastructure as a service is a type of cloud computing. These are the variations of cloud computing, that is SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Okay, these are the types of cloud computing. So first one is infrastructure as a service is a type of cloud computing service that offers essential compute, storage, and networking resources on demand on a pay as you go basis. What type of basis? It is pay as you go basis. IaaS is one of the four types of cloud services along with software as a service, platform as a service, and serverless. Okay, these are the three types of cloud computing. One is SaaS, PaaS, and serverless, and IaaS is one of them. Okay. So what is migrating? Migrating your organization's infrastructure to an IaaS solution helps you reduce maintenance of on-premises data centers, save money on hardware costs, and gain real-time business insights. IaaS solutions give you the flexibility to scale your IT resources up and down with demand. They also help you quickly provision new applications and increase the reliability of your underlying infrastructure. IaaS lets you bypass the cost and complexity of buying and managing physical servers and data center infrastructure. Each resource is offered as a separate service component, and you only pay for a particular resource for as long as you need it. A cloud computing service provider like Azure. A cloud computing service provider like Azure manages the infrastructure while you purchase, install, configure, and manage your own software, including operating systems, middleware, and applications. Right? Middleware and applications. Common IaaS business scenarios. First one is lift and shift migration. This is the fastest and least expensive method of migrating an application or workload to the cloud without refactoring an underlying architecture. You can increase the scale and performance, enhance the security, and reduce the cost of running an application or workload, right? Or workload. Test and development. Your team can quickly set up and dismantle test and development environments, bringing new applications to market faster. IaaS makes it quick and economical to scale dev or test environments up and down. Storage, backup, and recovery. These are the three major role of this common IaaS business scenario. So let's understand it. Your organization avoids the capital outlay for storage and the complexity of the storage management, which typically requires a skilled staff to manage data and meet legal and compliance requirements. IaaS is useful for handling unpredictable demand and steadily growing storage needs. It also can simplify planning and management to backup and recovery systems. Web apps. IaaS provides all the infrastructure to support web apps, including storage, web and application servers, and networking resources. Your organization can quickly deploy web apps on IaaS and easily scale infrastructure up and down when demand for the apps is unpredictable. High performance computing. High performance computing on supercomputers, computer grids, or computer clusters helps solve complex problems involving millions of variables or calculations. Examples include protein folding and earthquake simulations, climate and weather predictions, financial modeling, and product design evaluations. Now, what are the advantages of IAS? I hope we have already gone through with IAS, but uh, we didn't have gone through with common IAS business scenarios as well as the advantages. Okay, so let's understand the IAS, because we have to know the why we are using IAS. Okay, why we will be using SaaS, PaaS, or whatever the servers or whatever the types of cloud computing. Okay, so first understand the advantages of IAS. That is, reduces capital expenditures and optimizes cost. IAS IAS is eliminates the cost of configuring and managing a physical data center, which makes it a cost-effective choice for migrating to the cloud. The pay-as-you-go subscription models used by IAS providers helps you reduce hardware costs and maintenance and enable your IT team to focus on core business. Next one is increases scale and performance of IT workloads. Infrastructure as a service lets you scale globally and accommodate spikes in resource demand. That way, you can deliver IT resources to employees from anywhere in the world faster and enhance application performance. Increases stability, reliability, and supportability. With IaaS, there is no need to maintain and upgrade software and hardware or troubleshoot equipment problems. With the appropriate agreement in place, the service provider assures that your infrastructure is reliable and meets service level agreements. Improves business continuity and disaster recovery. Achieving high availability, business continuity, and disaster recovery is expensive because it requires a significant amount of technology and stuff. With the right SLA in place, IaaS helps to reduce this cost. It also helps you access applications and data as usual during a disaster or outage. Next one is enhanced security. The last one, with the appropriate service management or agreement, a cloud service provider can offer better security for your applications and data than the security you would attend in-house. Okay, so these are the all about IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. Your next session would be on your practical. This section would be on your theoretical approaches. Okay, because once you go through with the practical approach, you have to know that theoretical, because without having knowledge regarding theoretical, you will not be able to do with practical. Okay, so your next session would be on your practical basis, and but for this session would be on your theoretical basis, right? Now, I'm sending you this documentation file. Please go through with it once and let me know is it clear or not. Then I will start the SAS. I'm sending it. Okay, please go through with it. I have already sent it in your WhatsApp group. Please check the WhatsApp group and please go through with it. Then I will start the SAS. Okay, so is there any problem? Should I start? SAS. Okay. Now, what is SAS? Similarly, we will deep dive into SAS, cloud computing. It is software as a service. Software as a service is a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from complex software and hardware management. SaaS applications are sometimes called web-based software, on-demand software, or hosted software. Whatever the name, SaaS applications run on a SaaS provider's servers. The provider manages access to the application, including security, availability, and performance. SaaS characteristics. A good way to understand the SaaS model is by thinking of a bank which protects the privacy of each customer while providing service that is reliable and secure on a massive scale. A bank's customers all use the same financial systems and technology without worrying about anyone accessing their personal information without authorization. A bank meets the key characteristics of the SaaS models. Now, what are the key characteristics? Multi-tenant architecture. A multi-tenant architecture in which all users and applications share a single common infrastructure and code base that is centrally maintained. Because SaaS vendor clients are all on the same infrastructure, and code base vendors can innovate more quickly and save the valuable development time previously spent on maintaining numerous versions of outdated code. Each customization, okay, easy customization, the ability for each user to easily customize applications to fit their business processes without affecting the common infrastructure. Because of the way SaaS is architected, these customizations are unique to each company or user and are always preserved to upgrades. That means SaaS providers can make upgrades more often with less customer risk and much lower adoption cost. Better access, improved access to data from any network device while making it easier to manage privileges, monitor data use, and ensure everyone sees the same information at the same time. SaaS harnesses the consumer web. Anyone familiar with reducing upfront costs. The benefits of SaaS, increased efficiency and cost effectiveness are the reasons many business give for turning to cloud-based SaaS solutions. The advantages include low setup and infrastructure costs. You just pay for what you need with no capital expenditure that needs to be depreciated on your balance sheet over time. Accessible from anywhere, just connect to the internet and you can work from whatever you need to be via desktop, laptop, tablet or mobile or other network device. Scalability, you can adapt your requirements to the number of people who need to use the system, the volume of data and the functionality required as your business grows. Industry-leading service level agreements, that is SLAs, for uptime and performance, so you have assurances that the software will be available to use when you need it. A difficult promise for in-house teams to make. Automatic frequent updates. Providers offer timely improvements thanks to their scale and because they receive feedback about what their customers need. This frees up your IT department for other more business critical tasks. Security at the highest level required by any customer. Because of the shared nature of the service, all users benefit from the security level that's been set up for those with the highest need. The future of SaaS. Cloud computing and SaaS have come a long way in short time. Increased awareness and uptake has accelerated the growth of SaaS products and lead to the rise of SaaS integration platforms, that is SIPs, such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Companies will continue to outsource non-core IT activities to specialists service providers who can do it better. The cloud approach can help companies develop end-to-end integrated solutions and allow them to concentrate on what they do best, leaving a wide range of hardware and software IT issues to service providers. With companies adopting various AS services, long-term relationships with service providers will grow, which in turn will lead to innovation as customers' growing needs are understood and provided for. In the future, high performance computing will help with a wide range of business uses, such as analyzing large volumes of customer data and monitoring application logs. SaaS may be one day be able to help address critical challenges for business, such as predicting which customers will churn or which cross-selling practices work best for your business. With the need for high volume data, software performance, and backup increasingly daily, it's easy to see why so many businesses are choosing to outsource to cloud based providers. If you are considering to move to a SaaS platform, find out what Salesforce has to offer for business of all sizes. Okay, now we would love to learn the Salesforce SaaS, how Salesforce works on the basis of SaaS platform. Okay, so before that, first go through with the SaaS. Okay, then I will start the Salesforce SaaS. Okay, I'm sending it. These are very easy. See, I have sent it. Please go through with it and let me know is it clear or not. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
What about else? Okay. Then start the SaaS application development of Salesforce. The rise of cloud technology has created the perfect environment for software as a service. Hello, now am I audible?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm starting over here. Finding the right SAS is application development tool. It is one thing to understand the importance of utilizing a SaaS application development platform, but from proven platforms that started off by offering a packaged SaaS and then commercialized their underlying platforms to emerging cloud services solutions. There are many. Am I audible to everybody? Shubhamay Das says no, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From the technology to the ecosystem of partners, apps, and components, there are many considerations in selecting the right platform. These are some of the features that a top SaaS application development company will offer. Fast and easy applications development tools from open source libraries and frameworks that can be leveraged from within framework IDs and CLI to model driven visual development tools. There are some ways a SaaS application can be built in. The base SaaS application development platforms will provide simple visual prototyping, model driven development of business logic, APIs to integrate your apps with any relevant data, easier testing and analytics, quick deployment directly to users via web or mobile containers, flexibility to create using code or even low or no code depending on preference. Advanced security, just as important as how well it works, is how well protected it is. Whether it is business data or data belonging to customers, any information collected by a SaaS application will be important and incredibly confidential. As such, it is important to have the proper security protections. This means application level security, network level security, and security at the cloud infrastructure level. In addition to this, it should be able to support massive streams of data in a trusted and secure way. Scalability. Any SaaS application also needs the ability to facilitate growth and scale to thousands, sometimes millions of users and billions of transactions. Also, the scale needs to be able to support disruptive innovations such as artificial intelligence, IoT, event-driven IT, and more. Proper scalability. Proper scalability means that a SaaS application is able to cope with any relevant growth, integrate with relevant programs, and function will across any kind of device. The underlying platform on which SaaS application and result need to be able to elastically scale up and down based on the demand coming from end users. Ecosystem. Transforming digitally with SaaS application development takes more than
one internal team of developers to move fast and deliver what your business needs you and rebuild. Need rebuild. Off the shelf apps, components and solutions that you can easily integrate into your existing functionality. It could be something as simple as an e-signature, that is electronic signature capability, or as complex as a custom app to run a batch work to automatically encrypt your sensitive data. You need a platform that provides a vast ecosystem for you to benefit from. Yes. I'm sending this. So you please go through with it. Then I will start the pass. Meanwhile, I'll be taking your attendance. Okay. And those who are facing problems with your attendance, please let me know. I will give them.
Yes,
Okay, I have sent you in the WhatsApp group. Please go to it. Then I will start the pass, that is platform as a service. Okay. Please go to it. I will take your attendance in a while. Meanwhile, okay. Okay, meanwhile, I'll be taking your attendance. Okay. Please let me know if I've skipped somebody. Shumana Verma. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shumana Verma. Ujjwal Kumar. Tiyasha Khan.
Present, sir.
Shubhranil Das. Avik Shah. Shibam Nandi. Soumya Chakraborty.
Present, sir.
Sir, Ovik Saha present.
Suraj Kumar Pathak.
Yes, sir.
Aditya Shekhar Das.
Yes, sir. Present.
Vittam Shah.
Present, sir. Vittam Shah.
Aman Kumar Rai.
Present, sir.
Pooja
हेलो
Hor.
सर।
Yes.
सर बोलिए उज्जवल कुमार का माइक नहीं काम कर रहा है इसलिए उसका प्रेजेंट दे दीजिए प्लीज।
दे रहा हूं। दे दिया।
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम। Pooja Hor.
Present, sir.
Priya Paul. Shraya Kundu.
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার। স্যার প্রিয়া পলো প্রেজেন্ট আছে ওর মাইকটা বোধহয় কাজ করছে না।
अच्छा। Abhishek Roy.
Present, sir.
Aishi Bhattacharya. Akash Talukdar. Banti Mondol. Galjur Rahman.
Present, sir.
Gaurav Shaw.
Sir, Bunty Mandal present.
Gaurav Shaw.
Present, sir.
Ishika Das.
Present, sir.
कुमार पृथ्वीराज,
Present, sir.
एमटी तारिक,
Yes, sir.
रोहर्ष राज,
Present, sir.
राजू चैटर्जी,
Present, sir.
रौनक राज,
Yes, sir. Present.
सौरभ शेखर,
Present, sir.
शांतिका दुबे,
Present, sir.
नेहा चक्रवर्ती,
Present, sir.
सोहम शाह,
Present, sir.
सौमदीप धर,
Present, sir.
सौभिक दास,
Yes, sir.
শুভময় দাস,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার। স্যার আমার 11 তারিখেরটা
আমি
শুভময়
করে
দাস।
দিচ্ছি, ওগুলো লাস্টে বলবে, লাস্টে বলবে।
আচ্ছা।
সুব্রত মজুমদার,
Present, sir.
সুজয় রানা,
Present, sir.
ज्योति कुमारी राम,
Yes, sir.
मुनमुन, आकाश चैटर्जी, नीलाद्री धर,
Present, sir.
Yes, sir. Akash Raj is present.
Hello, sir.
बोलो।
Sir, 11 তারিখ স্যার ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে স্যার আমার প্রেজেন্ট নেননি।
আমি করে দিচ্ছি, দাঁড়াও, কারোর যদি মিস হয়ে থাকে আমাকে বলো, আমি এগুলো করে দিচ্ছি।
ম্যাম স্যার সুজয় রানা।
আমি করে দেবো, দাঁড়াও, সবারটা হয়ে যাক, তারপর করে দিচ্ছি। এসকে রাজীব एजाज,
Present, sir.
ज्ञानेन्द्र कुमार, शालिनी भट्टाचार्य,
Present, sir.
शुभंकर रॉय, सुदेशना पॉल,
Yes, sir.
उजान राय चौधरी, अनन्या नाइया,
Present, sir.
सात्विक दत्ता, अनुष्का माइती,
Present, sir.
Sir, she is present, but
अनन्या नाइया,
Present, sir.
शुभायु बोस,
Present, sir.
श्रेयसी चौधरी,
Present, sir.
शायनी भट्टाचार्य,
Present, sir.
प्रियंका भट्टाचार्य,
Present, sir.
सुदेशना पॉल।
Yes, sir.
এবার বলো কার কি আছে।
স্যার শুভময় দাস।
দাঁড়াও, একজন একজন করে।
11
শুভময়
তারিখ।
দাসের 11 তারিখ। 11 তারিখ ফার্স্টটা বাজে। সবার
হ্যাঁ,
সেকেন্ড হাফ নেই।
সেকেন্ড হাফ।
Sir, next সুব্রত মজুমদার। Next
সুব্রত মজুমদার
Yes,
সেকেন্ড
second
11 তারিখ না?
হ্যাঁ 11 তারিখ।
স্যার নেক্সট সুজয় রানা।
সৌভিক দাস। তারপর
সুজয় রানা ফার্স্ট হাফে 11 তারিখ।
তারপর
Sir, Jyoti Kumari Ram.
ज्योति कुमारी।
हाँ,
ज्योति कुमारी
सर।
का कौन?
दोनों ही में प्रेजेंट थी सर।
अच्छा, चलिए दोनों ही कर दिया, ठीक है।
Sir, Sudeshna Pal.
एक सेकंड सुरेश।
Sir, 11 तारीख.
सेकंड हाफ
Yes, sir.
করে দিয়ে।
Sir, Subramanian
Sir,
Das.
IC Buster.
শুভময় দাস,
Subramanian Das.
বুঝতে পারলাম।
Sir, Subramanian Das.
Sir, IC Bhattacharya texted me there is some network issue in her area. Kindly mark her present.
आदित्य, क्या नाम बोला
हेलो।
आपका?
हेलो सर।
बोलिए।
सर ओइशी भट्टाचार्य, मेरा अटेंडेंस आज का दे दीजिए, मेरा माइक काम नहीं कर रहा था उस वक्त।
आयुषी भट्टाचार्य आए। दे दिया।
थैंक यू सर।
और कोई?
Sir, Subramanian Das.
না, নামটা ঠিক বুঝতে পারছি না। তুমি একটু লেখো তো নাম।
Sir, 4 নম্বরে আছে।
আচ্ছা,
7, sorry.
শুভ্রনীল
সাত।
দাস।
Yes, sir, আজকে।
ঠিক আছে।
Sir, Sumana Verma present. Chat.
সবার ঠিক আছে তো?
यस सर।
তোমাদেরকে যেটা পাঠিয়েছি সেই জিনিসটা নিয়ে একটুখানি গো থ্রু করে নাও, দেন আমি তোমাদের প্যাচটা স্টার্ট করবো। Okay, now let me share the screen first. Let me complete the pass, then you can leave the session. First, you can leave the first session. So, first, platform as a service is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud with resources that enable you to deliver everything from simple cloud-based apps to sophisticated cloud-enabled enterprise applications. To purchase the resources you need from a cloud service provider on a pay-as-you-go basis and access them over a secure internet connection. Like IaaS, PaaS includes infrastructure, server, storage, and networking, but also middleware, development tools, business intelligence, BI services, database management systems, and more. PaaS is designed to support the complete web application life cycle, building, testing, deploying, managing, and updating. PaaS allows you to avoid the expense and complexity by buying and managing software licenses, the underlying application infrastructure and middleware, container orchestrators such as Kubernetes or the development tools and other resources. You manage the applications and services you develop, and the cloud service provider typically manages everything else. Now, common PaaS scenarios. Organizations typically use PaaS for these scenarios. Development framework. PaaS provides a framework that developers can build upon to develop or customize cloud-based applications, similar to the way you create an Excel micro. PaaS lets developers create applications using built-in software components. Cloud features such as scalability, high availability, and multi-tenant capability are included, reducing the amount of coding that developers must do. Analytics or BI. BI means the business intelligence. Tools provided as a service which PaaS allow organizations to analyze and mine their data, finding insights and patterns and predicting outcomes to improve forecasting, product design, decisions, investment returns, and other business decisions. Additional services PaaS providers may offer other services that enhance applications such as workflow, directory, security, and scheduling. Advantages of PaaS. By delivering infrastructure as a service, PaaS offers the same advantages as IaaS, but its additional features, middleware development tools, and other business tools give you more advantages. Cut coding time. PaaS development tools can cut the time it takes to code new apps with pre-coded application components built into the platform, such as workflow, directory services, security features, search, and so on. Add development capabilities without adding stuff. Platform as a service components can give your development team new capabilities without you needing to add stuff having the required skills. Develop for multiple platforms, including mobile, more easily. Some service providers give you development options for multiple platforms, such as computers, mobile devices, and browsers, making cross platform apps quicker and easier to develop. Use sophisticated tools affordably. A pay-as-you-go model makes it possible for individuals or organizations to use sophisticated development software and business intelligence and analytics tools that they could not afford to purchase outright. support geographically distributed development teams because the development environment is accessed over the internet. Development teams can work together on projects even when team members are in remote locations. Efficiently manage the application lifecycle. PaaS provides all of the capabilities that you need to support the complete web application lifecycle, building, testing, deploying, managing, and updating within the same integrated environment. Okay, this is all about my past advantages and the past scenario. Okay, now I'm sending this file also to you. Okay, so please go through with it and let me know if is there any problem. Then you will leave the. Then I will close the first hub, and your second hub will be on practical. Check the WhatsApp group. I have already sent it. Check the WhatsApp group. I have already sent it. Please go through with it. I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes of time for your preparation. If you are good enough, then you can leave the session. Otherwise, if you face any sorts of any difficulties, okay. Meanwhile, then please get back to me. I will clarify, and your second up will be starting on time. Okay. So please go through with it and let me know if is there any problem. Then I will end the first half session. Please go through with it. One. Okay, is there any problem to understand anything?
No, sir.
Okay, so you can leave the session now. Okay, but please be on time. Your second half, you would be on your
Okay,
practical basis classes. Okay, so thank you everybody for
Thank you, sir.
joining. Welcome Priyanka, welcome everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome Shiny.